In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can safely remove USB drives from your computer. So basically, what's going to happen is let's say we have a USB, inserted in my computer. So over here, it's going to give you your USB drive. Now, what you do usually, what people usually do is they just pull the USB drive out. Now, what happens in that case is it can cause your drive to get corrupted because, some datas they stay in, some comes out, and that just, ruins the whole drive. So, how can you safely remove it? Over here, when you have your USB drive, you're going to right click on it, and when you come down here, it's going to give you an option to eject. So you're going to tap on eject. And once you tap on eject, it should remove the USB, systematically from your computer. And then you can physically remove it from your computer as well. So that is the safest way to remove a USB from computers. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.